Hi guys, thanks for tuning into today's video. I'm going to be swatching for you guys the Juvia's Place Wahala 2 eyeshadow palette. Now I don't know if this palette is still available on their website. They seem to keep bringing it back despite the fact that they have said it is a limited edition, but I think it might still be available on the website. If it is, I would definitely go recommend grabbing it because this palette is just absolutely stunning. If you're one of those crazy Juvia's Place lovers much like myself, then this palette will definitely be a beautiful addition to your collection. Whether or not you use all these eyeshadows, whether you do or you don't, this palette itself is still definitely a collector's item. So I would recommend that you grab it if you can. Let me know in the comments if you enjoy these types of swatch videos, you guys. If you do, I have a whole playlist of swatch videos, which I will leave listed in the description box. So yeah, in today's video, I'm going to be swatching this palette. If you do enjoy these types of swatch videos, then please be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I will admit getting all of those swatches to fit on my arm was quite a feat, bit of a challenge. If there were any more shades than what there were in the palette, I would have been swatching literally in my armpit. So anyway, now I have a few little thoughts about this palette. I haven't actually used this on the eyes, and again, swatches on the arm aren't really an indication of how they will apply on the eyes. But if they apply easily on the arm, then, you know, chances are they'll apply nicely to the eyes. Now, as I was swatching this palette, I just realized that these are actually in color story families, because I was swatching on the arm and it kind of looked like random colors. But if I had I was swatching this way, right? Left to right, left to right. But if I had swatched from top to bottom of each row, then I would have had cohesive color families. So as you can see, there's whites here, purples here, blues, greens, orange, and pinks. But I swatched them like a crazy person. But anyway, you kind of get the picture anyway. So I will say just very quickly, the matte shades It took a little bit of building up, but that's generally the case with most matte shades anyway, especially when it comes to Juvia's Place matte shades. Shimmers swatched as I expected them to. Juvia's Place always hits the nail on the head when it comes to shimmers, and the glitters are absolutely stunning. But the color I was the most impressed with was this shade here called Fake. I mean, there is nothing fake about this eyeshadow except for the name of it. Like, this shade is absolutely stunning. Looks pink in the pan, but swatched, it shifts green and pink. It is absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love it. Look, green, pink, green, pink. It's so cool. Anyway, those are the swatches of the Wahala 2 eyeshadow palette, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I do have a giveaway going on my channel at the moment at the recording of this video. It's still open, and I'm giving away 3 of the Wahala 1 eyeshadow palette. Not this one, but the Wahala 1. I've got 3 of them available for giveaway, and as soon as we hit 4,000 subscribers on the lifeaskikay channel, I will be picking the winners. So I'm gonna also leave that giveaway video linked down below. So anyway, those are the colors in the Wahala 2 palette. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye!